Good afternoon from FireWrenchGarage. Today we're looking at a 1977 John Deere Liquifier 440. As you can see, it's in a little bit of rough shape, missing the windshield, the hood's been painted the wrong color, looks like a plasti dip. Seat's in pretty rough condition. Tunnel is a little bit chewed up. Engine's in pretty good condition. Haven't dug into it a whole lot yet, just kind of glanced over it. All the parts and pieces are there. This particular sled has 2,330 miles on it. All original, of course. Get you on the other side here. You can see in the box there, that's new decals. So here's the overview of that. So on this particular one, of course, we're going to strip down the hood. Get that shut here. Do any repairs that are needed to that, and repaint it the correct color, and then put on the new decals. So that'll be basically just like brand new. It also needs a pair of skis and ski shocks. They're in pretty rough condition. We'll do as much as we can to refurb them to as new as we can, but there's one that's beyond repair. For the tunnel, it has so many rips and tears in it. It has been modified several times. You can kind of see somebody did some rivets and some other custom touches to it, we'll say. But so there's the sled. What we've got for it is a 2-up seat and a new bumper, new seat cover. We actually acquired a quart of original, well, it's not original, but it is factory matched paint, and then in this box is all the parts and pieces for the engine that we're going to need, plus the windshield and all that stuff. But the most exciting part about this, guys, is I got in touch with Busco Bullet, and they hooked me up with a gentleman out in Colorado, and I found a original tunnel from 1977, brand new in the box. That he set me up, and this gentleman was going to use this on a restoration that he was working on, but realized it didn't work. But this thing is in amazing shape. This is like a one-in-a-lifetime thing. You just don't find new old stock parts anymore. I mean, there's a few scuffs on it from the box that it was in, but that original paint that came with it, we'll scuff this down and repaint it. But this is going to be like a brand new sled, guys. I mean, this thing is in beautiful shape. Just gorgeous. So we'll be switching over all of the running gear out of this one, the track, the suspension, engine, you know, the seat, gas tank. Everything is going to get switched over basically to this new tunnel. And then, of course, we'll add in the 2-up seat, the bumper. We'll recover the seat with the seat cover there. And then the parts that we have in the box there are new rings and pistons and a bunch of other parts to get this thing up and running. Brakes, cables, a whole list of parts. I didn't bring out the list today to go over that, but pretty exciting, guys. I just kind of want to give you a quick preview of this. This is coming soon as we get the Honda 350 SL that we're still waiting for a few parts on. I'm still in the process of actually getting, I'll just kind of give you a little sneak preview here. We're still in the process of getting this tore apart and going through that a little bit deeper, and then I'm going to sandblast the frame. There's a few parts that I need to weld on that were cracked. So then we'll sandblast all of that and then repaint it so that we can start from new. And then of course the engine, there's a bunch of new parts that we've got for that as well. I got to go through the carbs, rebuild those, the points, all of that stuff. And then I'm actually going to tear this apart. So every single piece is going to come apart, get refurbished or replaced, and then we'll start rebuilding again. But just kind of wanted to give you a status update on the Honda 350 SL, but also the pretty exciting new project that we're working on very soon here. As soon as we get that Honda 350 done, we're going to start in on this 1977 John Deere Liquifier 440. This is a heck of a sled back in the day, and getting harder and harder to find. Not only just the sled, but all the parts that go with it to make these like brand new again. And this will, once we finally get it done, will probably be actually better than brand new and out of the showroom. But thanks for joining me guys today. I just wanted to kind of give you a quick update and let you know what's going on here in the shop. And please like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn your notifications on so you know that when you upload new videos. Liking and subscribing to the channel helps me out a great deal, and I'd appreciate if you'd do that. Have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see you next time.